guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve day 3 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 796, rotate string. So we have given two strings S and goal. We have to return true if and only if S can become goal after some number of shifts on S. A shift on S consists of moving the leftmost character of S to the rightmost position. Okay. For example, S is equal to A, B, C, D, E. Then it will be B, C, D, E, A. Okay. So all the characters see after this A, B is coming. After B, C is coming. After C, D is coming. And after D, E is coming. So A moves to here, B comes here, C comes here, D comes here, and E comes here. Okay. Leftmost character of S, we move to the rightmost position like this, right? After just one shift. Okay. And now see this example. Okay. I think, okay. Yeah. A, B, C, D, E. Okay. So here see, first we shift this string like this. B, C, D, E, A. Okay. All the characters one time. Then again we shift. Okay, then C comes here, D comes here, E comes here, A comes here, B comes here. Okay, so see, from this S and goal are equal, right? So we shift all the characters one by one to the left side, then again to the left side. Okay, consist of moving the leftmost character of S to the rightmost position. Okay, like this, and we are achieving this, right? So that is why we are returning true, right? Clear? Okay, so and the length of the strings are given to us in the range 1 to 100, and S and goal consist of lowercase English letters only. Okay, this is good. And here see A, B, C, D, E. So just see the combination of A, B, and C. After that E is there after C, but here you see after C D is there. Okay, so we can't obtain this by just rotating my string leftmost character to the rightmost position. Okay, literally if I rotate it, I can't obtain this, right? So that is why we are returning false here. So simple thing. Okay, very simple. So what we are going to do here, first I'm going to check if my s dot length is not equal to my goal dot length. Okay, if that is the case, simply return false. Okay, simply return false. Okay, we have to return true if and only if s can become goal. Okay, so if the length is not same, right, if s can become goal, so if the length is not same, then we have to return false, right? Okay, only then we can obtain our s equal to goal after some number of shifts on s, right? And once this is done, okay, once we check this length is same, then after it, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to concatenate this string with itself. Okay, A, B, C, D plus A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so then this string is going to become like this: A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, I concatenate this string S with itself. Okay, this is a new string that I got. Then I will check if my this string contains this string. So see here, C, D, E, A, B. Okay, so this is available, right? So this my concatenated string contains this particular string, then return true. Okay, simple thing. That's what we need to do. Okay, so here let's move the coding part. So here I'm just going to write if s dot length is not equal to goal dot length, then in that case simply return false. Okay, just create one string. Okay, mixed, let's name it as mixed. Okay, I'm just concatenating this s with s. Okay, and then I'm just simply going to check if this mixed dot contains the goal. Okay, that's easy, right? If it contains this goal, then return true, otherwise return false. Okay, that's it, simple. Return false. Okay, now let's run it and let's see if there are any code issues. So see, all the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? And the time complexity for this problem is going to be of n. Okay, so I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. If you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.